I've purchased the transmission mount for my Honda Fit from the dealer. This is a OEM part. Here's the part number. Here's a portion that needs to go, I believe, right here when I'm putting it on. And this cost me $194, and I decided to invest in this. I like the results of putting in the OEM engine mount. I wanted to do the transmission mount as well because I truly like the results. I really like the results. So I want to do that full change. Anyway, I'll give you some update later. Yeah, so I've got the engine mount in, well, transmission mount in. You can see this extra rubber and these two pieces were not on the mount that was in, and this is my full install of the mount. Everything torqued up really nice. The bracket adjusted just fine after I jacked up the transmission a little bit, my little floor jack there. And let me show you something. I think this is good. However, if you look towards the top, there's some space in the sky. There's some space right there. I'm not sure if the space is supposed to be there. But anyway, this one was vibrating between 0. No, actually between negative 2.0 and 2.0. So when I fit this back up and check the vibrations, you want to see what that will be. Alright, so what you're looking at is the vibrations of the car with the car off. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be checking different points to compare the vibrations between having only the engine mount as OEM and the other two mounts as aftermarket. So here we go. Alright, I'm going to be using this scale because I want to see the peaks and crests. This is from the driver's seat. We can see that the lows here are approximately negative 0.15 and the highs are around 0.15. Very good. Alright, let's hold. Alright, so what we're doing now, this is on the dashboard, the driver's dashboard. These are the vibration on the driver's dashboard. The car is on. RPMs are about 1,000, so it's not fully warm, but you can work with this. Alright, so we can analyze this. This is between, wow, this is between negative 0.03 and 0.05. Very nice. Now let's see the middle of the dashboard now. Park. All this test is being done in the park gear. Alright, and we're using a very small scale here, 0.5 marks to, or 0.05 to 1 unit. Alright, and now let's go to the passenger seat. Alright, so passenger seat. So we're ranging from roughly negative 0.16 or we don't call it 0.16 to a high of 0.20. And then the other places I need to check is going to be under the hood. Alright, this is on the fuse box under the hood, and you can see the vibrations are between, call it negative 0.2 to 0.14. Alright, and that's right on the fuse box. Using the different scale, what I'm finding is that on the transmission mount side, there is a range from 1.0 to 0.6, counting all the ways. Alright, so right now I have OEM mounts, both on the passenger side and the driver side. I only have one aftermarket mount on top of the basher, right on top of the engine mount. Alright, so you can see that the range seems to be negative 1.1 to 0.6. That's a big improvement. Let me try on the other side of the washer. This one is close to the engine. Let me try on the other side. Alright, the vibrations are certainly less. This is a little bit further away from the engine, but still on the driver side. The passenger side. You notice the range is from roughly negative 1.1 all the way up to 0.6. Anyway, I'm going to conclude right here. So thank you for watching.